So when it come down to the Alliant Credit Union, I actually read that they're actually using a Vantage 4.0 model. I don't know if this is actually true, but they said that they called. I did not call, but definitely call them and ask them what scoring model that they are actually using. But they're going to pull your TransUnion credit report also, and usually your Vantage score is way higher than FICO. So if you guys want to try to see if you can get approved for this, I definitely suggest that you try, because if they're not using your FICO, they're using your Vantage score is probably most likely lit. Like, it's probably very, very good. Now, I think I still, when it come down to this card, I do want you guys to definitely call them to see if they can actually tell you what scoring model that they're using. I know that you're asking, if it's going to be FICO, but I actually read that they're saying it's not FICO. They're using Advantage. And I was like, get out of here. But other people saying the same thing too. But definitely do your research, call them too to see exactly what they're using, and then you can go from there. But hopefully this